Hi guys, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. First of all, thanks to all those who like the videos and subscribe to the channel. I hope you are having a great learning experience. In this video, we would be learning about broken wing iron condor, also known as skip strike iron condor. Broken wing iron condor is a risk-defined neutral strategy with a slight directional bias, either bullish or bearish. But unlike the iron condor, where both wings have the same width, in the broken wing iron condor the wings have uneven width. A skip strike iron condor is a four-leg strategy consisting of a bear put spread and a bull call spread with long strikes that are not equidistant from the short strike. This leads to one side having greater risk than the other, which makes the trade slightly more directional than a standard iron condor. Among the two long options, one of them will be further away from the short strike than the opposing side. The wider side is called the broken side and is what gives the strategy its name. The broken wing iron condor strategy has both higher risk and higher return than the iron condor strategy. Before getting into the details of the strategy, let's identify strike prices with a delta of zero point 0.2 on both call and put sides. As learned previously, a delta of zero point 0.2 means the option theoretically has a 20% probability of being in the money at expiration. Open the Edelweiss mobile trader app and go to the derivatives section in watch markets and then click on option chain. Select expiry date 28 May 2020 from the drop down menu on the right. Enable show Greeks and you would get to see the Greeks associated with each strike price. Not all strike prices are shown on the first screen, so scroll further down and click on show all. A closer look at the put options on the right would reveal that the 8200 strike price has a delta value of zero point 0.2. And similarly, a look at the call options on the left would reveal that the 10,100 strike price has a delta value of 0.19. These are the two options we would be going long. Now that we have determined the options that have a delta value of about zero point 0.2, let's see how we can deploy a broken wing iron condor trade using these values. Assuming the Nifty at 9200, we can enter the broken wing iron condor trade as follows. Buy one 7900 put at 107.75, sell one 8200 put at 150.5, sell one 10100 call at 95.8, buy one 10500 call at 48. The width of the spread on the put side is 300 while the width of the spread on the call side is 400. All the options have the same expiry, 28th of May. While the short options have a delta of zero point 0.2, the long options have a delta of 0.1. A look at the risk reward graph reveals that we have a bearish bias, as the maximum loss at expiry can be experienced on the call side. So we do not want our trade to end up that side. Let us now look at some calculations. The maximum profit at expiry that can be had from the trade is straightforward. It is equal to the amount of premium received, which comes to about Rs 6791.25. As seen before, the maximum loss at expiry can be experienced on the call side, which can be calculated as follows. Width of the wider spread minus credit received, which comes to about 23208.75. There would be two break-even points and they can be calculated as follows. Break-even point 1 is equal to short put strike minus credit received, which comes to about 8110. Break-even point 2 is equal to short call strike plus credit received, which comes to about 10191. All the calculations have been done assuming the trade has been done using one lot of each option. Please enter this trade at your own risk. This is not a recommendation. Thank you all for watching. Please post any questions you have on this video in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.